Hi, my name is Gemma and I've been a franchise owner for 1 year with 𝗕𝗃𝗀𝗺. Before I started with 𝗕𝗃𝗀𝗀, I was a registered nurse and I still am a registered nurse working in different hospitals and medical centres. I chose 𝗕𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀 because I liked the idea that I could build a business around doing my day job, and I have access to business mentoring as well, being a franchise partner. Sometimes it can be physically challenging, but for the most part, it keeps me very fit, and I like to be able to listen to my podcast while I'm cleaning. I love that I get to create my own schedule and have a better work-life balance now that I'm not working full-time in the hospital. We have a lot of support from our regional managers. We have monthly catch-ups with Shannon and Jed, and they're very hands-on about the progression of our business, and they want to help us reach our goals. A message I'd like to say to anyone joining the 𝗕𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗀 team would be that attention to detail is everything, and it's the difference between a mediocre service and an excellent service. So make sure you master your cleaning skills.